This isn't just a cooler, it's a portable freezer that runs off your car battery. We're looking at the Setpower RV65D, and this 65-liter beast claims to solve every single cooling problem you have on the road. The first thing you notice is the sheer size. 68 quarts is massive, perfect for long trips or big families. But the real magic is the dual zone and dual control. You can literally freeze ice cream on one side while keeping your veggies chilled on the other, offering 4 distinct cooling modes simultaneously. Setpower didn't skimp on the compressor. They promise rapid cooling, hitting ice-cold temperatures in just 15 minutes using the max mode. If you're worried about power draw, switching to eco mode keeps consumption incredibly low, hovering around 0.8 to 0.9 kilowatt-hours per 24 hours. And speaking of power, they included a crucial feature: 3 levels of battery protection. This means the RV65D won't strand you by draining your vehicle's battery overnight, which is a huge relief when you're deep in the wilderness. What really impressed me was the inclusion of the Anderson DC cable. For anyone running a solar setup or a portable power station, this is a game changer for direct, reliable connection without needing extra adapters. Design-wise, the little things matter. The tiered baskets make organization easy, the built-in LED light is essential for midnight snack raids, and the 35 decibel noise level is whisper quiet. You won't even know it's running. The Setpower RV65D is built for serious adventure. It's large, incredibly efficient, and packed with features that show they understand the off-grid user. If you need reliable, dual-zone freezing power for your RV or truck, this is an outstanding, powerful choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.